So you just got the Weebill S and you want to know how to use all the modes properly. This video is for you. I'm going to show you all the modes and how to use them so you can take awesome, smooth, cinematic footage with your Weebill S. Hi, my name is Matthew and welcome to my channel. I make videos about tech and process improvement. If that's something you're interested in, please subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified every time I make a video. So once you power on your gimbal, you're going to be shown the pan and follow mode. So this mode, essentially what it does is it follows everywhere you go left to right. But when you go up and down, it's gonna stay smooth. So it doesn't follow on this axis. When I go left and right, it does. So this is really good if you wanna have smooth footage where you don't have a subject going up and down where you have to follow them up and down. So pan follow is just automatically on your gimbal. You don't have to make any adjustments. It's just automatically there for you. So the next mode is lock. So this mode means no matter where you place your hand, the camera's gonna stay completely smooth. So it's not gonna go left and right, it's not gonna go up and down. So you can see that you have a lock mode on here. Currently we have it on pan follow. So we're gonna change it to lock. So you see where the camera was, no matter where I am, camera's staying smooth. So now if I go left or right, it stays straight, and if I go up and down, the camera's not moving. So this is awesome if you want super smooth footage and you know exactly where your subject is going to be, because this is just gonna be completely smooth no matter where you're going. The next mode we're gonna talk about is point of view. So there's a button here on your Weebill S, you're gonna press that and you're gonna be turned into point of view. I really like this mode, it's probably one of my favorites is because it's pretty much just like a normal camera movement, but it has the really smoothness that a gimbal gives you. So I press that and now I'm on point of view. So no matter where I'm going, it's following. It's following when I go left and right, and it's following when I go up and down. If I'm on point of view mode and I wanna go back to pan follow, all I have to do is press this trigger and I can go left or right, but it's gonna stay locked. What we wanna do is we wanna go into follow mode. This mode is when you hold down the trigger. So it's a little different than point of view because it doesn't follow you every single angle. It's gonna follow you left, right, up, and down. So if I wanna follow someone, all I have to do is press follow, press the trigger, I'm in follow mode now. I go left, if I wanna shoot up, I can shoot up. So the difference from this is point of view, it just follows kind of everywhere my hand goes. The follow mode follows the left axis and then follows this axis as well. The next mode is go mode. So this is really important if you're in sports and you need the gimbal to shoot left to right, up and down really fast. So there's the FN button on the side of your gimbal. What you're gonna do is you're gonna press that and you're gonna be into go mode now. So go mode, if you watch here, when I go left to right, it's gonna be much faster than when I go back to normal pan follow. So you can see how fast that went. Also, it goes up and down everywhere I'm at, super fast. We're gonna go back to pan follow now. So I'm gonna let go of the FN button and you can see how much slower it is. So that was pan follow, and now we're gonna do go. You can see how much faster that is. So for the last mode, you got vortex mode. This one's really cool because the camera goes completely in a circle, creating a really cool visual effect. So what you're gonna wanna do to get to that mode is you're gonna press the point of view button twice. The camera is gonna flip up and I'm going to direct it where I want. And all I wanna do to get to the vortex mode is I just have the joystick and I go left or right. So I'm gonna push it right and the camera's gonna go completely in a circle. Okay, so now we're back to pan follow, and those are all the modes on your Weebill S. The last one I don't really count as a mode is the selfie mode. You can press the POV 3 times and you're instantly into selfie mode, which is kind of cool, but who really vlogs with a gimbal? It's kind of a little excessive. So to go back, just press it 3 times again and I'm back to my normal shooting mode. And yeah, what's really handy is no matter where I'm at, if I'm in vortex mode, I press the button twice. If I want to go back to pan follow mode, all I have to do is press this button and I'm back into pan follow. Now, if I'm in vortex mode and my camera's all the way up here, I'm gonna have to press follow and then let go of the trigger to get it to a desirable state. So there you go, that's all the 7 modes on my Weebill S. Knowing how to use all those modes in conjunction with filming makes it really handy to make epic shots the way you want when you want them. Having the customizability that you get with these modes makes it really awesome for filming, and I definitely recommend it. The Weebill S definitely feels quality. It can hold a lot of weight. The camera that I am filming from right now is using a 24-105 f4 stop, and that thing is pretty heavy, and I'm using a Canon RP on it. I want you to be able to film footage the most efficient way possible. So hopefully I improved your process on this technology, and you can go back and use this Weebill S in your day-to-day life, making some epic cinematic footage. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I want to help you out just like with my brother. See you in the next video.